I'm Daniel Legh-Page. I'm the VP of Technology for Sprinkles Cupcakes. Sprinkles is unique, and we have three different point of sales that we needed to integrate. So Mirus was a solution that I kind of immediately thought of because we weren't aggregating all of our sales channels into one reporting tool. So the ease of kind of aggregating all those together was something that we were missing, and just running a simple PMix across all of our channels. So Mirus came to mind almost immediately. I've been through integrations before with Mirus and felt like a good fit from a reporting and BI and kind of consolidating all our data together. So that's kind of how we came about to rolling Mirus at Sprinkles. We have Cupcake ATM machines, so those are fairly unique to Sprinkles. So those are treated like a separate point of sale system. Those are custom built, custom software application running on those. We also have a custom online ordering system that was built in-house. So these systems weren't really built as true point of sale systems, so we're kind of seeing the differences in an out-of-the-box point of sale system and a homegrown one. And so as we were integrating with Mirus, we were seeing pieces of data that really need to be tied up and cleaned up. So part of the project ended up being cleaning up some of these systems and how they were reporting, which was great because we wouldn't have really have found a lot of these nuances without getting all that data in Mirus. Yeah, the biggest thing is really just giving more pieces of information to our operators and to our above store level folks to give them some actionable data that they can that use at their disposal that they haven't really had, especially at the bakery or the restaurant level. That data is something that they've never been able to see, and so having that at their disposal now on a flash report and different metrics outside of even sales and POS, like guest type data or kind of scorecard based data, is something that we can be more proactive with. Running PMix across all our channels is probably the biggest thing. The first thing I did when I started at Sprinkles, I was like, well, so what are we selling? What does our PMix look like? And it was, well, we have the Micros PMix, but we don't have the ATM PMix. And so we've now got all that, and a Red Velvet Cupcake is now a Red Velvet Cupcake, whether we sell it on an ATM, online, walk-in. So now we get to see kind of that full list of what's selling and where and what times of day. Things like limited time offers is a good example. We run a special cupcake for 2 weeks, and now we have that kind of history of similar type items that we've run in the past and kind of how they sold in different channels, if they sold well on the ATM, if they sold well online, and what even times of day that they sold. So we've got that kind of history now to look back on so that we can prepare for how much ingredients and things to purchase for a limited time offer. It was great. The biggest thing I think was just being able to interact with the other customers here. So seeing kind of neat reports that other concepts were running and other integrations that other restaurant groups were using. So we really have even expanded our list even further as to what we could possibly do.